You're somebody that wants to buy a house in 2023, but don't think you'll be able to do it because you don't think you'll be able to get the down payment and closing costs together. You need to subscribe to this channel. I do FHA loans where we do first mortgages for 96.5% and we do second mortgages for 3.5%. So in an example where you were to buy a $400,000 home, the first mortgage would be $386,000 and the second mortgage would be $14,000. The two mortgages combined together would equal 100% of the purchase price. Now, a lot of people will say, wait a minute, that does cover 100% of the loan, but I still need to deal with the closing costs. And that is correct. The closing costs on a $400,000 transaction, depending on which state you're in, are going to range between $8,000 and $15,000. And either you or the seller are going to have to pay for that. But if you can eliminate the down payment with 100% financing, then the closing cost is not that big of a deal, because before you might have had to come up with $25,000 to $35,000. Now you have to come up with between $8,000 and $15,000. If we can get the seller to help pay for part of that, you can save a little bit of that. We can get that done. Maybe that's not even possible in your market to get the seller to help you, but we can put a plan where you can save that money, and it's not this crazy amount of money. It is a much more doable amount. You will get an FHA loan, you will do no money down on the purchase price, and we'll work out the closing costs, either you or the seller. It is a great way to buy your first house, and it is not impossible to buy a house in 2023. We just have to have the right plan and then execute it.